That was so lame. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be, well, I already did them, and I forgot to record an intro before this. I forgot to record an intro before that, so yeah, I'm gonna record one now. So, if you want to see me, okay, so let me just talk a little bit about this. This is not, why does my mind go like a million places? I was gonna do different nails. It was like this purple and blue, like sequin glitter. I didn't like how they were coming out. So I'll put the TikTok here.
No face, no case. Bet I hit the first night, first date. Put that thing all on my face. Do what I say, what I say.
Like, you can see how I was originally gonna do them at first, but then like I was just not happy with them as I started to do them. So, and this was yesterday. So I took all my nails off, and then I just decided I was just gonna do like a milky white. And then I cut the tip too short, and I was like, fuck, I guess I'll just go with short nails, whatever. And I just put like this like purple, anyways, I'm okay with how they came out. I just am not happy that they're freaking short. Look at this, like, anyways, you want to see me do my nails, which people voted on Instagram that they wanted a YouTube video, so y'all better give me these views, okay? Please just keep watching. Even if you're not watching, just watch. I don't know. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. So I already glued the tips on, and I'm about to use a dehydrator, and then Young Nails Protein Bond as a primer. If I get out of like this area, because sometimes I'll be like coming this way, like, see, you can't see me, so I'm sorry, and I'll cut it out, but yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Okay, I'm gonna put my monomer off camera, but this is a white, well, like a milky white that, you know, I mixed it myself. Also, please don't judge me, I'm doing my right hand, so this is definitely the harder hand, so just bear with me. So I already just like filed the sides off camera, and now I'm about to use this like purplish holographic whatever to, I don't know if you can see, this is in here, and then I encapsulated it with the clear. So yeah, keep watching. So I just realized that, look, it's not even focused. Y'all, I fucking hate myself. I really thought I was recording this whole time. This is kind of weird because I literally just filmed the intro and now I'm filming the outro. And I don't know, it's like, I don't know. But thank you for watching my video. And if you watched my video, comment down your Cash App below and I'm gonna pick somebody to send money to because I just appreciate y'all so much. I love you. I hope you love me. If not, I don't care because you still watch my video. Period. Not a lot of people really care, so I didn't want to go into detail. But if you do want to learn how to do your own nails, like I taught my own self. Shout out to me. Hey. Period. If you want to see a video of like all the things you need to start to like be why am I such a dumb bitch? Also comment down below. If not, I'm not gonna post it or record it because this shit takes up a lot of time. A lot of people would tell you, and I'll name them. I need to go eat. I know y'all heard that. Oh my god. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.